Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our revision test is coming to chapter 1, Indian and International System of Numeration. You can refer textbook page number 14 and 15. Coming to first one, 10 crores equal to dash millions. So here the given number is in Indian system, but we have to write in international system. So first write the 10 crores. How to represent 10 crores? Like, so same number I am taking without commas. So same number I written here. So already you know that one in Indian system, except once period we have 3 places. Remaining all periods we have 2 places. Coming to international place value chart, we have in each period consist 3 places. So according to that we have to keep the commas. So 3 places. This is ones period, this is thousands period, and this is millions period. Means ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So here 10 crore equal to how many millions we have? We have 100 million. Coming to our options are option A is 300, option B is 200, option C is 100, option D is 500. Our required option is C. Next one. So here the number is given. How to read as? How to read as we have to check. And coming to further, easy to read. Here already you can observe. Here one's period consists 3 places. Remaining 3 periods consist 2 places. Means it will be the Indian system. So here this is one's period. Afterwards thousand. Afterwards lakhs. And afterwards crores. So here coming to the given options are 46 crore, 70 lakh, 34,008. Option B is 46 crore, 72 lakh, 34,008. And option C is 46 crore, 72 lakh 8. And option D is 46 crore, 72 lakh, 35,008. Coming to cover, what is the given number here according to periods? This will be the 46 crore, 72 lakh, 34,008. So here our option means required option is 46 crore, 72 lakh, 34,008. So our required option is B. Next one. Pranav received the prize money. The prize money for the given amount is 1 crore. The given amount is 1 crore. In a computation, how much amount is this in international place value system? So here already you know this will be the ones period, this will be the thousands period, and this will be the lakhs period and crore. So same number I am taking without commas. 1 crore I am writing here without commas. Just and place the commas according to international place value. So already you know in international place value every period consists 3 places. So means here 3 places, here comma and 3 places, here comma. Means here this will be considered as the ones period and thousands, and this will be the millions. So here 1 crore equal to how many millions we have to check it. So what are the given options? First option is A is 100 millions, B is 100,000, and C is 1 million, and option D is 10 millions. So 1 crore equal to here we get it 10 million. So our required option is D. Our required option is D. Okay, next one. 10 lakhs equal to dash million. 10 lakhs equal to dash million. Again, here this will be the Indian system, and coming to this is international place value. Okay, so how to write the 10 lakhs? First write the 10 lakhs. So this is represented as 10 lakhs. Same number I am taking without commas. Just 10 lakhs I am writing here. So now I have to keep the commas according to international place value. So in international place value we have every period consists three places. So means here this 3 comma, again here this 3 comma, means here this will be, means these 3 places considered ones period and these 3 places considered thousands and coming to this part millions. So here 10 lakh equal to 1 million. Coming to what are the given options here? Option A is 2, option B is 4, option C is 1, option D is 5. So our required option is 10 lakh equal to 1 million. Required option is C. Next one. In international place value, the millions period has dash places. So what are the given options here? Option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 1, option D is 4. So here in international place value, every period consists 3 places. So even millions period also we have 3 places. What is the required option here? Option B. Option B will have 3 places in millions period. Coming to next one. With which place does a 7-digit number start in the international system of numeration? What is the given question? Once again, with which place does a 7-digit number start in the international system of numeration? Okay, so we have to write the 7-digit number. What is the smallest 7-digit number? Just I am writing here. The smallest 7-digit number is here. The smallest 7-digit number is that. Okay, children. Coming to here, just I am placing commas. So here, what is the given system? International place value. So I am placing the commas according to international place value system. So how many places does a period has? We have 3 places every period. So means here 3 places. Okay, again here 3. So here comma, here comma. This is ones period and this will be the thousands period and this is the millions period. So here what are the given options? Option A is 10,000, option B is 100,000, option C is 10 millions, option D is 1 million. So with which place does a 7-digit number start here? 1 million. What is the required option? Option D. Option D. Coming to next one. In the number, what is the given your number? So what type of number is given? Is belongs to Indian system or international place value system? So already we can identify easily in Indian system except ones period, remaining all periods having 2 places. And coming to in Indian international system, all means not only except ones period, all periods consist 3 places. Coming to here, what is the given number here? In ones period, 1, 2, 3 places. And thousands period 1, 2 and lakhs period 1, 2 means it is belongs to Indian system. So for easy to read, I am writing the periods ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Okay children, in the number 56 crore 24 lakh 987, the digit 6 stands for. So what we have to find here? We have to find the place value of 6. Place value of 6. Okay. So here, what is the place value of 6 here? So coming to here, in crores period we have 2 places, that is crore and 10 crore. So here the 6 we have in crores period. The 6 we have in crores period. So what are the given option? Option A is 6 crores, option B is 60 lakhs, option C is 6,000, option D is 600. So in given number, the digit 6 stands for 6 crores. Our required option is A. Coming to next one. 1 lakh equal to dash thousands. 1 lakh equal to dash thousands. So first write the 1 lakh. Now this is Indian system. We have to represent in international place value system. Same number I am taking without commas. 1 lakh I am writing without commas. Now I am representing as in international place value. So in international place value, every period consists 3 places. Every period consists 3 places. That is ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So 1 lakh equal to how many thousands we have? 100 thousands. What are the given options? Option A is 10, option B is 20, option C is 100, option D is 200. So 1 lakh equal to how many thousands? That is 100 thousands. So our required option is C. Coming to ninth one. How many thousands make a million? How many thousands make a million? So what are the given options? A is 1000, B is 2000, C is 3000, D is 4000. So how many thousands make a million? First we have to write million. So means see here I have written on the paper. So here 1 million. So how to identify how many thousands make a million? So just already you know this period consists ones period. This period consists thousands period, and this period consists million. Okay. So coming to suppose here already you know this will be the thousands period. Coming to complete number, if I read, what did you get? 1000. Thousands we get. So here how many thousands make a million? What are the given options? Option A is 1000, option B is 2000, option C is 3000, option D is 4000. So 1000 thousands make a 1 million. Okay, so what is our required option? A. Our required option is A. 1000 thousands make a million. Coming to next one. Sharon borrowed here some amount. Okay, for easy to write, again easy to read one. Again I am expressing in according to periods. This is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. So Sharon borrowed 40 crore, 15 lakh, 50,000 from a bank for a business. The number name of borrowed amount is, just how I read here, 40 crore, 15 lakh, 50,000. Okay children, did you get it? 40 crore, 15 lakh, 50,000. So what are the given options here? Option A is 40 crore, 15 lakh, 8. Is it correct? No. Coming to option B, 40 crore, 15 lakh, 80,000. Okay, is it correct for that? No children. Coming to C1, 40 crore, 15 lakh, 70,000. So here, but here we have the 50,000 in thousands period. Coming to D option, 40 crore, 15 lakh, 50,000. So our required option is D. Our required option is D. Did you get it children? Once again practice. Thank you.